If you're looking for the fastest, best way to clean fiber optic connectors, meet the Sticklers Pro360 Touchless Cleaner, winner of the CI&M Platinum Innovators Award. Fiber contamination is the #1 cause of fiber network troubleshooting. Traditional contact cleaning methods, like wipes and sticks, can slow technicians down, leave residue, or even risk scratching the connector end face. The Sticklers Pro360 Touchless Cleaner delivers a 360-degree touch-free clean using high-purity static-reducing fluid and pressurized air. A metered micro-dose of fluid cleans and dries in seconds while neutralizing static, so contamination won't migrate back. No wipes, no sticks, no risk of scratches. For speed, consistency, and lower costs, the Pro360 Touchless Cleaner is the winning tool that sets a new standard for fiber end face cleaning. Learn more at sticklerscleaners.com.